Greetings, Africans. How's everyone? I hope you guys are well. I'm well, guys. My name is Tebos Kosan, and this is my channel. I'll be talking about the drama that's unfolding in Mpumalanga within the Umkhonto Sizwe party structures, guys. Dude, I hope you guys are aware of that there's this battle now that's unfolding there. And at the center of that battle, it is the leader known by the name of Mary Padi, right? Mary Padi, who was expelled by the Umkhonto Sizwe party. Then she took the matter to court. Then she won the matter in the court of law. But we also saw that Umkhonto Sizwe is intending on appealing that, right? So let's start. As who's this Mary Padi? Mary Padi was serving as the convener of the Umkhonto Sizwe party, right? As you know, the Umkhonto Sizwe party performed quite very well in the 2019 29th of May elections in Mpumalanga, right? The